Daithor public still waiting for completion of Model Degree College. Public urge for construction of new entry gate in Diphu Government College. New office building at Dokmoka UCO Bank inaugurated. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jilly Hansepi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. With another 171 more patients successfully discharged from various hospitals across the state on Monday, Assam is gaining more confidence in the war against COVID-19. Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma informed that 171 persons were discharged on Monday, taking the discharge daily in Assam to 3,521. A total of 2,053 out of the total 5,586 positive cases have won against corona. With good numbers of discharged patients, Assam at present has a recovery rate of 63.3%. Meanwhile, no new cases were reported from Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong on Monday. On the other hand, India has crossed death toll past 13,000. In the last few days, more than 10,000 new cases are being reported from across the country, taking the total number of positive cases reported to 4,27,046 at the time this report was filed. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Locals of Daithor have expressed their displeasure over the construction of the Model Degree College in Daithor, which has been left incomplete due to reason best known to the contractor and authority. The construction work of the college was sanctioned in 2017 under the Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan scheme in order to promote opportunity of higher learning to the people of Daithor Dolamara region. An amount of ₹9 crores was sanctioned for the construction of the college building. Local people including parents and students had been eagerly waiting for its early completion and start of new academic sessions. In addition to this, several youths have also taken it as employment opportunity and appreciated the then Congress party running the state government for the college construction work. The hopes of the local people were however shattered as the construction work was not completed even after 4 years has passed since it was sanctioned. The building is now covered with thick overgrowth of wild bushes and grass, a sight that breaks the heart of local people who had holding high hopes and dreams. Local people of the area approached local MAC Richard Togby on this matter. The MAC, after the interaction, assured people of the area that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council will take up immediate steps for its early completion. However, the people of Daithor area are still waiting for the fulfillment of the assurance given to them by the elected representative. Roshan Hanses report, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. Diphu Government College is one of the best places of learning in Assam. It has produced some of the finest individuals from the Hills District and continues to be the lifeline of education here. And at a time when the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is engaged in beautification of Diphu town, there is an increasing demand from the public that this college should also get equal attention of the authority. The college was established way back in 1964 and has been serving as the premier institution of learning in the Hills District of Assam. Located on the top of a hill, the college has several link roads connecting it with the main roads. The two main link roads connect the college with Lurulangso to Thana Road on the one hand and with the Mintila to ITI Road on the other. However, as entry gate of the college is not built near the crossway nor any signboards for direction, thus strangers often get confused in reaching the college. On the other hand, the road for the college has also been widened, following which increasing number of local citizens has fervently expressed that a new entry gates be built at the T intersection spot in the greater interest of the entire people of the district. In addition to adding the beauty of the college, establishing an entry gate would be a fitting tribute to the premier institution of Karbi Anglong. Bikram Cross report for Karbi Anglong Live. After a long wait, the UCO Bank branch of Dongmukak has on Monday finally got a new office building. The bank expressed their hope that the new building would increase the efficiency and customer satisfaction. At a time when physical distancing is being highly advised in public places, the new office building of the bank located at Hempu Mansion opposite Dokmoka Police Station will ease customers' hardships while availing its service. In addition to the office building, a new ATM booth has also been opened for the convenience of the people. Deputy General Manager A.K. Sarkar, Dokmoka UCO Bank Manager Mudhujoi Chuzo, Assistant Manager Sonam Kumar Chaube, along with several other staffs of the bank, attended the inauguration program. The bank officials also urged upon industrious entrepreneurs and farmers to avail the benefit of several loans from the bank.
UCO Bank Zonal Manager Sri A.K. Sarkar, আজি আমার দকমকা ব্রাঞ্চ পুরোনা বিল্ডিংৰ পৰা নতুন বিল্ডিংলৈ ৰিনোভেটেড আহিছে। এই বিল্ডিং এই ইউকো বেংক ৰাইজৰ সহায় আৰু ৰাইজৰ বেংকিং যিমান সমস্যা সেইখিনি সমস্যাৰ সমাধান কৰিবলৈ আজি আমি বহু বছৰে দকমকাৰ ৰাইজ তথা ইয়াৰ দাঁতি কাষৰীয়া অঞ্চলৰ ৰাইজ জমাই হওক বা ঋণে হওক দি আছোঁ আৰু অহা অনাগত দিনকেইটাত আমি আৰু বেছিভাৱে আৰু দ্ৰুতগতি যাতে আৰু ভাল ধৰণে উন্নত ধৰণে ৰাইজক সেৱা আগবঢ়াব পাৰোঁ সেইটো উদ্দেশ্য মনত থৈ পেলাই আমি আমাৰ শাখান্তৰ কৰিলোঁ নতুন শাখাত। গতিকে আমি সদায় আশা কৰোঁ যে ৰাইজে আগত আমাক কিমান বছৰে যেনেকৈ সহায় কৰি আহিছে সাহায্য কৰি আহিছে অনাগত দিনকেইটাত তেওঁলোকৰ পৰা সহায় আৰু সাহায্য আমি পাই থাকিম।
On the other hand, the residents of Dokmoka Jengronghang village have expressed their gratitude to EM Lunsingteron for construction of sand gravel road for their village.
An militum hana kerapit penitum rong alilong mati dak Jengronghang arong alilong barla tem militum kidam ke bangka siksa ke supun ipen siksa kado ke siksa itu pina anar ni pen chaklo setami nona por mangke ilitum thanga EM kaching hono joini pen ami thanga capacity pen ilitum phan la Jengronghang arong tum sen level ke thok pini an pini tum ke tanglo itu silo la sila sona thaksi ni tum alani phan langsung se aphangalong kurang ki pajir rola penali langsung se aphangalong mission arja pulku ki selang ni phan litum turola la penali tum arna mo so penali phan ali ai ki mehang iponlo la pen kibang jilangar ni stame nilitum phan langsung se ching hon pu ki ni ning thelo.
Samsung Inti reporting from Dokmoka, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.